Using a hydro-torque tool, remove the valve head nuts. Remove the upper valve head. Rig and remove the steam strainer. Match mark the stem and coupling. Uncouple the actuator piston rod from the stem. Unbolt and remove the second stem seal leak-off or packing holder leak-off line. Unbolt the pressure seal head. Remove the valve stem assembly from the casing. Inspect the head gasket seating surface for damage and check that the surface depth is 0.125 to 0.127 inches. Check or number the head studs with numbers 1 through 26 for elongation documentation.